Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a simple stuffed pita recipe that can easily make 3 full pita pockets. The ingredients are 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of pepper, 6 cloves of garlic, coarsely chopped, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 pack of pita bread, 1 block of tofu, preferably extra firm, 1 red pepper, 1 ripe plantain, 1 spoonful of hummus for each pita pocket, and a handful of cilantro leaves. To begin, drain the tofu by wrapping it in a wet paper towel and microwave for 3 minutes. Then carefully flip and repeat. Once the tofu is out of the microwave, set aside to cool. Now let's prepare the tofu seasoning. Mix all the herbs, garlic, and olive oil together and crush as much as possible to make a coarse paste. Once cooled, chop the tofu into cubes. Now add the seasoning mix and evenly coat the tofu. Then set aside to marinate. Fill a small pot with water and leave it on high heat. Once the water is boiling, this is where we'll cook the plantain. In the meantime, clean and chop the red pepper into small pieces. Now let's chop the plantain. Cut both ends and then cut the rest into 3 pieces. Once the water is boiling, add the plantain to the pot and set a 6-minute timer. After 6 minutes, it should look bright yellow. Now cut into quarter-sized pieces. With all the ingredients ready, add some oil to a pan on medium heat and start cooking the red pepper pieces for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the tofu pieces for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring every 5 minutes. Once the tofu looks like this, remove from the pan. Add the chopped plantain to the pan and cook on both sides, 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Once the plantain is cooking on the pan, we can start heating up the pita bread. I normally just fold it in half and place it in the toaster for 1 to 2 minutes. Once toasted, let's assemble the pita pocket. Add the hummus to each half of the pita. Then add the tofu mix, the plantain pieces, top with some cilantro leaves, and it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching, and remember to screenshot the recipe at the end. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content and would like to see more Mindful Meals recipes.